season kicking off. We got this set up pretty good, Bantams. Oh, this ice is fine. Holy Lord. We got the little guys going. You'll see this pace will pick up. A lot of shifts for these guys. There's our new guy, Josh Crawley, rolling through. Tunes are pumping out here. There's old falling. Should be pretty good though in the battle department. It'll be good. Should be a good matchup. First time guys going at it. See how it's going. There's old Bird. Scooter, come back to her right there. That'll be good. There's old Brady. Some wet ice. Wet ice. Turn right around me, big boy. Turn right around me. There he goes, Shell. Big Will. Oh! Puck's live. Puck's live. You got 10 seconds. Scoot's going to the net. Sheldon's got it. Oh! Another good shot. Good shot. Go for it, brother. Here goes Paul. Oh! He had it. Missed it. Crawley. Oh! 4-3, just like that. These guys got the momentum going big for long. Look at that little dude. Look at this. That's a clear picture. Way to go, Brady. 4-3. Scoots. He's got himself some running room. On his own. Trying to score on his sister. He wasn't going to let that happen. 4-3. Camera. They're starting to go 6-3, I think. 6-3. This bench has got to get charged up here. You got some work to do. You got plenty of game. There's Billy. There's Peter. Oh, Peter. Skate Peter. Skate Peter. Nice pass. Oh, Peter. Oh, that would have been sweet. Offside. Shake hands. Okay, there we go. We got the old handshake. Good battle there. Not a bad game. Good stuff. I kind of liked it here. Okay, ready? Okay, Benny. MVP, man. Look like a man-child out there. Good first start for you. How'd you feel out there?
Pretty good.
Look at Manny getting in the shot. Manny had himself a great game today. Nice job there, young man. Good game, guys. Good start. Way to go. There he goes. Benny B. Looking forward to seeing him wheel this year.